Deck surface fading unevenly because some parts catch more sun? You are not alone, and luckily, there are some simple ways to keep your deck looking fresh and even. So, first off, you want to grab a good UV protective finish because that stuff literally helps block out the sun's harsh rays and slows down fading. Make sure to clean your deck really well before applying any finish, like sweep off dirt, scrub any stains, and let it dry completely. If you only seal part of the deck or miss spots, you will end up with patchy color, so be thorough and cover every inch evenly. Applying 2 coats usually works best for long-lasting protection, and remember to check the weather so you don't paint right before rain. Also, try to avoid using dark stains if your deck gets uneven sun because they tend to show fading more noticeably. Lighter colors hide it better. If your deck has areas that stay shaded, consider moving some furniture around now and then to even out sun exposure. Regular maintenance helps too. Every year or so, clean and reapply the finish to keep things looking consistent. One of the biggest mistakes with uneven deck fading is skipping proper surface prep. If you don't clean and sand off old finishes, the new layer won't stick well and fades quicker. Another common problem is applying uneven coats. People sometimes rush or miss spots, which makes fading way more obvious. Take your time and be consistent. The third issue is picking the wrong type of finish. Some cheaper stains do not have enough UV protection, so always go for products labeled specifically for UV protection or deck use to get the best results. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can connect with trusted local contractors who know how to handle these deck issues. For contractors, it's a great way to find steady work by linking up with people who actually need help making their homes look awesome again.